Hello YouTube. Got a new car culture release, 4-piece set. This is the haulers. Now I haven't been picking these up, the car culture truck haulers, and the main reason I haven't been picking them up is because of trucks. I hate paying, how much are they? $12, $14. I hate paying that kind of money for just one die-cast car. So it really has to be a car that I collect for me to pick it up, or a car I like. I do like when they do release the gassers, but no, you don't get no chases with these or anything, so it won't be exciting or anything like that. But I did pick up this set because it was cheaper for me to buy all four of them, which got from Surplus Goody, or no, A&J Toys. I got from A&J Toys, so shout out to A&J Toys. Not a sponsored video or anything like that, but they're selling for like 20 bucks a piece or so on eBay. So by the time I would have bought the three I wanted, I would have paid more than what this case cost me from A&J. So that's why I bought a case. I really haven't been picking up much of these at all. I never find them in the stores, like ones that I want. And they're kind of expensive if you go to eBay for them. So you get two of these in the case. So this will be the peg warmer, unfortunately. But I really wanted the Golf, the Lancia Rally, and I do collect anything the Golf racing livery. And then the Nissan Skyline, I collect the Nissan Skyline GTR R32. I'll try and pick up every release that they ever had, Hotwheels. So I collect anything in the Advan racing livery. So these two I definitely wanted to pick up for the collection. And then I thought the gasser was really awesome. I think the gasser is like the best one out of the release. So out of all the car culture releases, this is like the best one. Now, sorry, but comment down below if you guys know why the Advan one, the first release of it with the Skyline, sells for $60, $70. Why is that? Maybe even $80. Why is it so hard to find, and why does it sell so much? Was it only released once? And was there only one in the case? But comment down below if you know why that one particular release sells for a lot more than any other of the team transporters. But man, I like the ramp truck. I like how you can fit two castings on it. Just have this one sitting to the left of me, and it does fit. I didn't think it would. So, and it's a Ford. They actually have a licensed truck. So by far, this is like the best release. It has a licensed truck. Awesome 5 spokes on the truck itself. But the star of the show is the gasser. Look at that thing. I'll be proud to display that in my gasser collection. And then the next one is extremely heavy. and the one you will not be able to find on the pegs. Whoever's there to crack the cases open when they come out will definitely be grabbing this one up, just because of the golf racing. It says Lancia Racing on the side. This is a Lancia Rally 037 Euro, and the Euro Hauler. Which is a Euro Hauler? Is that a licensed casting? Or a real vehicle over in Europe? It might be. So this is all die-cast metal. The base is, the sides, this whole entire thing is die-cast metal. And then the top's plastic. So it's extremely heavy. Full detail. Looks like a bus from the front. Will look cool in the golf display. But the star of the show, look how little them rims are. They put a lot of meat on them tires still. Pirelli on the back. Awesome, awesome casting. Now, I'm not sure what's up with the other two releases of this casting I keep seeing that are sold together and they're asking a bunch of money for on eBay. I don't know if they were a convention piece or what's up with them. Almost looked like the headlights were lens, but I think they're just really good painted detail. LEDs in the background are putting a heck of a glare on the car. That is way better. Awesome casting. And the last one, another one I'm very happy to have. It's going to be the Advan. The Nissan Skyline GTR. And the Sakura Sprinter. Which is the Sakura Sprinter? Is that a licensed model? That might be a real one too. Maybe they listen to collectors who were complaining about the non-licensed models. I almost think they made a ramp truck that was unlicensed. And now this one says Ford. And let me mention, the card art on the package looks amazing. If you're a carded collector, to display these carded, the card art does look amazing. Really, really awesome. This casting truck is pretty light. The entire box on the back is all plastic. Looks like a big billboard though. And it will look awesome displayed in the Advan Racing area of my collection. So whenever they release a casting that I collect, I will try to pick it up. Or whenever they release it in a livery, a racing livery that I collect, I'll definitely pick it up. Still haven't picked up the Ford GT one, I don't think. The Ford GT is a casting I collect, but man, I hate to pay that much for it. The $12 or $15 that these sell in the store, even though that one's a peg, been hanging on the pegs. I just can't bring myself to pick it up and spend that kind of money on one car, which is the same reason I haven't been picking up their box sets. To buy a box set and get 3 castings for $25, it's not worth it to me. I could get 4 Greenlight or 5 Greenlight that I really want for that price. So to get 3 Hot Wheels, but this ad van with the 5 spokes, holy crap, that looks awesome. Man, a shout out to Hot Wheels for them rims. Can even see the 5 lug pattern on it. Very, very happy to add that to the Advan Racing team. So not very often I would pick up a case from Car Culture, but if I do pick up a case of Hot Wheels or a case of Car Culture or something like that, I do go to A&J Toys. They have the best deal for cases, if they have them. A lot of times they don't have stuff too. I ended up picking 2 Hot Wheels display cases up off A&J too. I think he's sold out now. And also they had them on the Hot Wheels website. If you're a RLC member, they'll go on sale periodically on the website when they have them in stock. And they're $50 plus shipping. Or if you're even luckier and you keep a search out on Amazon and just keep searching Amazon, once in a while they'll pop up on there for like $55 with free shipping. Like even $70 with free shipping on Amazon is a good deal, because that's what you're going to pay from A&J or Hot Wheels. They charge like $20 to ship one. So if you buy one display for like $50, you're going to pay like $20 for shipping. But I was able to get 2 Hot Wheels displays off Amazon for $50 shipped. So, I mean, you can't beat it. You can't get it that cheap from Hot Wheels, because it's $20 shipped from Hot Wheels. So, just got to be patient sometimes. Keep your search open. Definitely an awesome Car Culture release. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. So, I'm going to have a big giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. Going to give away some chase pieces and stuff. So, definitely, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And have a good day.